Harvesting and preserving eggs. Every day, we go to our farm and start a wonderful day of work. We clean and sanitize the chickens' feeding troughs to keep them spotless and prevent intestinal diseases, as chickens are very susceptible to digestive illnesses. We take some water from the filtration system, then add a bit of probiotics and stir well. The water is then pumped into the drinking troughs through pipes and distributed throughout the entire farm. We start using a machine to pump feed into the small troughs placed in front of the chickens. We evenly distribute the feed in front of each chicken to ensure that none eat too much or too little. The chickens eat quickly, seeming very hungry after a long sleep. Our next task is to start collecting eggs. We take the egg trays and begin gathering them. We spread the egg trays evenly on a cart to make it easier to collect and transport the eggs. We repeat these steps until we have collected all the eggs on the farm. After filling the egg trays, we stack them in a row to make transportation easier. We use a tall cart to transport the stacks of collected eggs. We bring the freshest eggs to a special room and arrange them on a large tray. Here, we mark the large trays of eggs once they are fully arranged, then place them on an egg storage rack. The eggs are stored here with recorded logs to track when they were collected, ensuring none go bad. Harvesting and selling eggs. Today is a beautiful day. I woke up early and went out to visit my chicken coop. The chickens in the coop were already awake. I went in and herded all of them outside. I gave them some food and let them warm up under the morning sun. Then I went back into the coop and started collecting eggs. My chickens seem to have laid a lot of eggs today for me to harvest. After collecting for a while, my basket was full of eggs. I suddenly remembered that I had some old tire casings that I could repurpose as nesting spots for the chickens to lay their eggs, making it more convenient for me to harvest them. Chicken eggs are one of the few foods considered a superfood by nutrition experts. Each chicken egg contains all the essential nutrients needed for a healthy body. These include protein, healthy fats, calories, vitamin A, folate, vitamin B5, vitamin B12, vitamin B2, phosphorus, selenium. Additionally, each egg contains a significant amount of vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B6, calcium, and zinc. In fact, eggs are considered a nearly perfect food because they provide almost all the essential nutrients your body needs. Eating eggs can also help you lose weight. They are high in calories and protein, which help you feel full faster. As a result, you tend to eat less of other foods. A typical day for me starts with waking up early, visiting the chicken coop, feeding them, and then collecting the eggs they have laid. It's such a peaceful feeling in the countryside, waking up early to the sounds of birds in the forest, hearing the roosters crow, and welcoming the first rays of sunlight of the day. Today, I gathered quite a lot of eggs, so I decided to take them to sell. Before taking the eggs to sell, I had to carefully arrange them neatly in a foam box. I took a few large foam boxes and arranged the eggs layer by layer, first a layer of chaff, then a layer of eggs. I continued stacking them this way until the boxes were full. I managed to fill several foam boxes with eggs. Then, I loaded them onto a large vehicle and took them to the market to sell. The road from my house to the market isn't too far, and it's easy to travel, making the trip quite convenient. Every time I gather a batch of eggs, I take them to the market to sell. A lot of people came to buy and support my eggs, so I'll probably sell out quickly today and be able to head home soon. Confessions of a chicken farmer. Chickens are an important food source, so I do not worry about finding buyers. Moreover, chickens grow fast, and after just a few months, they can be sold. If taken care of properly, I can quickly reinvest my capital and make a profit. In addition, chicken feed is quite diverse and easy to find. I can make use of natural food sources such as vegetables, rice bran, and various grains. However, raising chickens also comes with many difficulties. One of the biggest problems I face is disease. Chickens are highly susceptible to diseases such as avian flu, Newcastle disease, and diarrhea. If just one chicken gets sick, the whole flock can be infected quickly. Therefore, I must regularly clean the coop and ensure all necessary vaccinations. Weather is also a major factor affecting chicken farming. When it is too hot, chickens can suffer from heat stress and eat less. During the rainy season, the coop can become damp, creating a favorable environment for bacteria to grow. Thus, I have to design the coop to be well ventilated in the summer and warm in the winter. Another challenge is the fluctuating price of chicken feed. When feed prices increase, my profit decreases significantly. To cut costs, I grow additional vegetables and utilize agricultural byproducts as chicken feed. Moreover, taking care of chickens requires a lot of effort. Every day, I have to feed them, check their health, and clean the coop. During the selling season, I also have to find traders to get the best price for my chickens. Despite many challenges, I remain persistent in my profession. Every time I see my chickens healthy, I feel happy and motivated to continue. I also keep learning from experienced farmers. Thanks to this, I gradually gain valuable lessons to improve my farming efficiency. Raising chickens is not an easy job, but with perseverance and hard work, I believe success can be achieved. I am a farmer who raises chickens in the countryside. One of the most difficult challenges I have faced in chicken farming was an outbreak of avian flu. It started with just one chicken showing signs of weakness and loss of appetite. At first, I thought it was a minor illness and separated the sick chicken from the rest of the flock. However, within a few days, more chickens started showing similar symptoms. I became extremely worried and called a veterinarian for advice. The veterinarian confirmed my worst fear: my chickens had avian flu. This disease spreads quickly and can wipe out an entire flock in no time. I had to act fast to prevent further losses. First, I isolated all the sick chickens and started disinfecting the entire coop. I also had to cull the infected chickens to stop the spread of the disease. It was heartbreaking to see my hard work and investment vanish in just a few days. Not only did I lose a significant portion of my flock, but I also faced financial losses. I had spent months raising these chickens, and now they were gone. On top of that, I had to buy expensive disinfectants and medicines to ensure the remaining chickens stayed healthy. The local authorities also placed restrictions on selling poultry, making it even harder for me to recover financially. For weeks, I worked tirelessly to clean and disinfect the coop. I also learned valuable lessons about biosecurity and disease prevention. I started implementing stricter hygiene measures and vaccinating my chickens regularly. I made sure to limit visitors to my farm to reduce the risk of infection. Despite this devastating experience, I did not give up on my passion for farming. I gradually rebuilt my flock, taking extra precautions to keep them healthy. Every time I see my new chickens growing strong, I feel a sense of accomplishment. This challenge taught me that farming is unpredictable and requires resilience. Raising chickens is not just about feeding them and waiting for them to grow. It involves continuous learning, hard work, and the ability to adapt to unexpected challenges. Though the avian flu outbreak was a painful experience, it made me a better farmer. Now, I am more prepared to handle any difficulties that come my way in this profession. Farming is tough, but with determination and knowledge, success is possible.